Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 5 quick and easy tips to help you save money every day. These tips are super practical and can make a big difference in your budget. First up, track your spending. Knowing where your money goes is the foundation of saving. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to keep an eye on your expenses. When you see it all laid out, it's easier to identify areas where you can cut back. Next, make your coffee at home. That daily coffee shop visit can add up to hundreds of dollars a month. Invest in a good coffee maker or try brewing methods like French press or pour over. Not only will you save money, but you might also enjoy the process. Third, start meal prepping. Planning your meals in advance means fewer impulse buys and less eating out. Cook large batches of food on weekends and portion them out for the week. This saves money and ensures you eat healthier. Fourth, take advantage of cashback and coupon apps. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta give you cash back on purchases or help you find deals and coupons. It's a simple way to save money on things you're already buying. Finally, unsubscribe from marketing emails. These emails tempt you to spend on things you don't need. Reduce the temptation by unsubscribing. If you need something, look for a deal at that time rather than being swayed by constant promotions. So there you have it, 5 quick tips to help you save money every day. Start implementing these tips today and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more money saving tips, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.